A polynomial function p is given by p of x is equal to negative x times x minus 4 times x plus 2. What are the intervals where p of x is greater than or equal to 0? Okay, pause it and try it. All right, the first step when you're determining inequalities in a function is to find the critical numbers. So those are going to be the values where p of x equals 0. So we can see on here if we have 0, 4, and negative 2, those would be our critical numbers. And then what we want to do is set up a number line and put those critical numbers on there. Okay, our first test point would be negative 3. If we plug in negative 3 into the function, we get positive answer, positive 21. So that means that interval is positive. Next test point, negative 1. We plug in negative 1 and we get negative 5. So that interval is negative. So the next test point would be positive 1. We plug in positive 1 and we get positive 9. So that interval is positive. And our last test point would be positive 5. We plug in 5 and we would get negative 35. So that interval is negative. Okay, so the question we need to answer is where is p of x greater than or equal to 0? So if we look at our line chart that we made, we go from negative infinity to negative 2, including negative 2. So we're going to have a hard bracket there. Union, and then the next interval where it's greater than or equal to 0 would be hard bracket 0 to hard bracket 4. Okay, so this would be an example of a AP Precalculus type problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.